Every year, nearly 18,000 people will get a spinal cord injury, and many of them have to spend the rest of their life on a ventilator. But a device going through the FDA approval process is aimed at greatly improving the life of these patients. It's Synapse Biomedical's new RX diaphragm pacing system, and I talked to a Sacramento resident who is one of the 2,500 patients worldwide getting to use this technology. In 2019, Karen Mills was paralyzed in a horseback riding accident.
He tripped and I fell over and landed on my head and broke my back. Fortunately, there was a firefighter, a first responder in the lesson, Johnita, who immediately gave me life-saving treatment.
She was in the hospital on a ventilator for 6 weeks. As they looked into rehab options, doctors suggested a diaphragm pacing system, or pacer. Here's how it works. Wires are surgically implanted in the diaphragm. They're connected to a battery-operated device, which then provides a pulse to help Mills breathe.
Much like a cardiac pacemaker, which most people are familiar with, you have electrodes that are in the heart to pace the heart when a heart is not working. The diaphragm is the same vital organ for respiration as the heart is for blood flow.
Giving spinal cord injury patients some of their freedom back.
The travel without having to worry about the ventilator, charging the ventilator, plugging the ventilator in, are all things that can help with quality of life for a person.
Mills is a California Farm Bureau attorney, and with the help of the pacer, she's in the office 3 times a week.
I can go in and attend meetings and interact with the other attorneys there. Show numbers. 22.
She's now able to work from home using voice technology. How has the pacer changed your life?
When I was first injured, there was no movement from my shoulders down, and since the injury, I've regained, movement in my legs and my hands. It's truly remarkable what technology paired with physical therapy can do. Well, Karen told me all injuries are different, but she really wants to stress that improvement is possible. So the new RX DPS has a new FDA pre-market approval, and this means thousands more patients could get access to the device. The previous FDA approval required hospitals to go through a really long review process before using one. So if you're interested in learning more about this pacing system, you can head to our website. That's abc10.com/links.